everyone, I'm Dawn.
And I'm Missy.
And if you just caught our Halloween beauty
Tricks and Treats segment,
everyone is talking about our DIY beauty lash pumpkin. We were lucky enough to work with Kiss USA, and we wanted to do something really fun with their lashes so that everybody can enjoy them at home.
absolutely, a DIY. We want to walk you through the steps. So the first step, we actually went to the pumpkin patch. Obviously.
Yes, we obviously had to go get a pumpkin, and there's only 5 products total that you need to do this DIY.
Right.
And then we headed on over
To the Dollar Tree. You can actually just pick up their acrylic paints that they have there. I grabbed a green one and a white one, and I mixed them so that this looks like an avocado face mask. And then you just apply it using a cosmetic sponge.
and you kind of just go around the outline of the face. Is that what you did?
Exactly. You just leave a little spot for the eye and the mouth.
So we did an avocado mask. We also did a nice white mask,
Yep.
and they also do have a black acrylic paint that you can kind of mix and match colors to make it your own Halloween specialty. And then while we were there, we picked up some washcloths. So you're gonna want to make sure that your pumpkin definitely, like Missy has here, has a stem.
Yes.
And then she's gonna wrap it around the stem, almost just like you'd wrap your hair, right?
Yeah, you just want it to look like you just threw your hair up.
And you said it kind of sticks because the stems kind of have a little prickles.
Yes.
So with this, these washcloths that they have there, it's easy and kind of tacky to have happen.
So cute.
And now the fun part begins. We actually go pick some lashes. And what's really nice about these is they're already a self-adhesive on them.
Yeah, they have a packaging adhesive, so you can take them straight from package right to your pumpkin.
And they're easy to remove, so don't worry about it. And then they go right back on, so you can have a lot of fun with big fun lashes that we
Yeah.
always look at and love but may never buy.
Or at the end of the night, pull your lashes off and instead of throwing them away, stick them on a pumpkin.
And then lastly too, don't forget the marker because it's all about being happy. It's Happy Halloween.
Yep.
So you can just draw any marker that you have at home, black, any color that you want. So we wanted to wish you guys a happy Halloween, and I hope you guys enjoyed our beauty pumpkins.
Happy Halloween.